So guys, hello everyone, this is Michael Ortega Vlog. Ayun, testing natin tong Colorful L1 CA316 512C G1A i3. Meron na siyang 15.6 FHD 60Hz na display, i3 12 Gen 1222p. Ayun, sabihin ng P, ano siya, performance. Intel USD na siya, 16GB DDR4, 5112GB SSD, which is faster compared to the yung dating hard disk drive, Windows 11 Home. Ayun, check natin ang kanyang specs. Okay, CPU niya ay i3 12 Gen 10 cores 12 threads. Memory niya 16GB RAM, under access memory, tapos 512GB sa storage. Tapos yung kanyang graphics, UDHD graphics.